what's up my people, what's up everyone, what's going on? Today I'm gonna show you how I make peanut punch, so stay tuned, don't go nowhere, I'll be right back. All my ingredients I'm gonna use over here, I have 2 cups of milk. You can use any milk of your choice. I'm using almond milk, so 2 cups of milk, peanut butter, condensed milk, vanilla, I have some raw peanut here, and I have some cinnamon powder and some nutmeg powder. So I'm going to show you step by step what I'm going to do. So I have my blender here. I'm going to add my milk. Two cups. So I'm going to use like 3 spoons of peanut butter. You can use any peanut butter. You can use a smooth one, you can use a crunchy one. So I'm gonna add my vanilla and my cinnamon powder. Not vanilla, my nutmeg and my cinnamon powder. Now I'm gonna put my vanilla. Put like 1.5 cup. So now I'm gonna add my condensed milk. I'm gonna put the whole tin inside. Scrape everything, nothing now waste. So now I'm gonna blend them up now. So now guys, I finished blending, so I'm gonna pour it out in a glass and let you guys see. Oh my god, this tastes so good. Oh my god. Okay guys, that's the finished product of my peanut punch. So I'm gonna top it off with some whipped cream on top. So all I want you guys to do, just like this video, share this video out with your friends, your family, and don't forget to hit that notification button. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please do so on your way out. So thank you for watching guys, until next time. And you can also hit me up on Instagram at Kiissikitchen. That's Instagram and Kiissikitchen.